hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you're notified of when we upload new video content, which is always going to be on a regular basis. To be one of the first to view, first to like, first to comment, first to share, and all that good stuff there. For you to actually, make a woman regret losing you, why? Seriously, why do you want to do that? Just move on. Like, seriously, just move on. She's most probably has already moved on. So why can't you move on? If you answer the comment section below, why can't you move on? But to move on, what I recommend that you do is just develop yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male and learn to know what your actual purpose is, your personalized mission on Earth is. And once you do that, your mind is actually focused on that, and you get it. Like, you're focused on something different. Forget her, man. What's wrong with you? Look, I'll just say this: to actually develop yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male, click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Archibulan Trust. And once you do that, you get access to online courses such as roles and relationships. That's where you can learn how to develop yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male and to know exactly what your personalized mission on Earth is or what your purpose is. You get that in the career and business online course. So yeah, if you've got any questions or any topics you would like for us to discuss in our videos, go ahead, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.